Hi everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in today's video I am going to show you the step-by-step process of installing the WordPress on your local computer. Whether you want to learn how WordPress works or want to do some experiment locally without taking any domain or hosting, then watch the video till the end. Here no technical expertise required and you will be able to install WordPress for free in your local computer. So if you found this video tutorial helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to search for local WP on your computer. So let me search for it. And here you will see this website localwp.com. So let's click on here. So here you need to download the software. So let's click on download for free, and here you can choose the platform, like you can choose Mac, Intel, Mac, Silicon, Windows. So here I will select Windows, then I will enter my first name, last name, and you can select an agency or independent freelancer, and you can add an email address here and click on get it now. So once you fill up the form, it will download the software into your computer. So I have already downloaded this software to my computer. So let me open the file manager. And as you can see that this is the local WP application. So here this application is around 623 MB. So let's right click on it and let's click on run as administrator. Now let's click on yes, and it will start installing the application in your computer. So as you can see that you can set this user. So let's click on next. And you can set the destination folder. Let's click on install. So it will take some time to install the software to your computer. So let's wait. Okay, as you can see that the software is installed completely and it is very quick. So let's click on finish. And here as you can see that you need to accept the term and condition. Let's click on I agree. And this is the software here. So let me minimize it. And here you need to create a free account to use this software. So let's click on create a free account, and you can continue with Google. So let's click on here, and you can select your Google account from here, and you can set the name and everything, update from here as well. Now you need to click on open local. So just click on here and it will add a pop-up. So let's click on open, and it will be opened in your software. Now let's click on no thanks. Okay, now let's create our WordPress website locally. So for this, what I can do is I will click on create a new site, and here you will see different options. So you can either create a new website or you can create from blueprint. So blueprint basically means that it will keep the settings, so you don't have to manually do all the settings when you create a new WordPress website. So it is like a template. So for this we need to create a new site here. Now let's click on continue. Now you can add the name of your website. So let me just add my name like Key to Blogging local, like this. Let's click on advanced option here, and here you can set the local domain here, key to blogging -local.local. So the extension will be .local, and you can set the path here. So all of the website files will be stored here in this path. So you can change the path here as well. So let's click on continue, and here you can see it is automatically selected the best PHP and the server specification, or you can select your custom PHP version from here. You can add different servers, like whether you want to host your website in Nginx server or Apache server. So you need to select the server according to your requirement, and you can also select different database versions like MySQL 8.0 or 5.7. So here I will go to the preferred method. So it will choose the best option for you. Now here we need to enter the username and password. So let's add the username here, admin. So I'm just adding a basic username and password. Let's keep the password to 1234. Now here we don't need anything. Now let's click on add site. Now you need to accept the administrative permission. So let's click on allow here. Let's click on allow again. So it will download the WordPress file to your computer from the server. So let's wait a little bit. So make sure to give admin permission to the software so that it will work perfectly. And let's wait. Alright, as you can see that we have installed a WordPress website successfully in our local computer. So here you don't need to buy the domain and hosting to test your WordPress website. So as you can see that here it will give the overview about site domain, and here this is the SSL certificate. So you can click on trust here, so you can enable SSL certificate in your local host as well. Now you can change the web server if you want. You can change the PHP version here as well. Now you can enable one-click admin. So let's click on WP admin here, and it will automatically log in your WordPress website from the local server. So as you can see that this website is loading from our own local computer, and you can easily install any plugins, themes, and test it out. So let's change the theme here in this website. So let's click on add new. And as you can see that it's opening quite fast. So let's install the Cadence theme. So it will download the Cadence theme file and save it to your computer, and then install the Cadence theme on your local website. So it will depend upon the internet connection you are using. So as you can see that all the files are downloaded. So let's click on activate here. And as you can see that we have successfully installed the Cadence theme in our local website. So you can install the starter template for Cadence as well. Now here you can select a starter template from here. So let me select any starter template. So let me choose this template here. Now let's click on import full site. Now let's click on skip and start importing. So it will start importing all of the content to your website. So let's wait. And as you can see that the import is completed now. So let me click on view your site. And as you can see that we have a fully fledged WordPress website hosted on our own local computer. So I hope this video helps you install WordPress on your local computer, and you can easily test different plugins, themes, and you can easily work on WordPress locally from your computer. And you can easily share this website to your friends, so they will be access your local website using their connections. So if you click on here, you can easily share this website. So here let's click on tools here, and here you will see this option live links. So you can also generate a live links and share it to your friends, and your friends will be able to access your local website from their computer as well. So this is a very good tool to test your website locally. And here you will see different options, like you can directly connect to a different platforms. Like once you started or once you finish the building of your WordPress website, you can directly upload it to your server, and it will be live in your hosting as well. So here you can set different blueprints, and here you will get different add-ons as well, like you can enable cloud backups, link checker. So there is a nodes as well. So this is a instant reload. So there are some add-ons to use this software as well. So this is how you can install a local WordPress website in your computer. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.